Iran and India, we share border with these countries: China, Afghanistan, Iran and India. And under our country you can see Arabian Sea. Okay, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? Okay, Punjab, Balochistan, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Gilgit-Baltistan is autonomous territory of Pakistan. Okay, what is our national flower? Our national flower is jasmine. And what is the national flower of our country? It is jasmine. So write few lines about this flower in your social studies copy. What is the national flower of Pakistan? It is jasmine, and write few sentences about jasmine. Now I want to discuss question answers again. Listen it carefully, students. Question number 1 is, in which part of the country do we have a coastline? In which part of the country do we have a coastline? Answer, we have a coastline in the south along the Arabian Sea. We have a coastline in the south along the Arabian Sea. In the previous slide, you have seen Arabian Sea under our country. In the south, you can see Arabian Sea is in the south. Okay, question number 2, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? Name them. Okay, according to edition 4th, and students, maybe you have read lesson number 4, our country, and edition 4 in 2020. According to this edition, I have written this answer. There are 4 provinces in Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 2 autonomous territories are Azad Jammu and Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. It means ये 2 इलाके जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड गिलगित बल्तिस्तान ये खुद मुख्तार इलाके हैं. They can make their own decisions. And Islamabad capital territory and Islamabad capital territory. These 2 territories, first one Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, and one federal territory, that is Islamabad capital territory. And it is in Islamabad, and PM House and Supreme Court and all the ministry work is working in Islamabad, and all offices are also present in Islamabad, and that is the reason Islamabad is Islamabad capital territory. Islamabad is our capital city. Okay, I repeat it once again. There are 4 provinces in Pakistan: Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And 2 autonomous territories are Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, and one federal territory, Islamabad capital territory. So note it down in your social studies course. Question number 3 is, which countries share a border with Pakistan? As you have seen in the previous slide, we share border with Iran, Afghanistan, China and India. We share border with Iran, Afghanistan, China and India. And similarly, you will write in your social studies copy, Iran, Afghanistan, China and India share border with Pakistan. Question number 4 is, describe the Pakistani flag. Answer, rectangular with a white strip to the left representing the minorities and a deep green background with a white crescent and a star. The color of the flag are green and white. You may have drawn Pakistani flag in your social studies copy. So beautifully, if you did not draw, then you have to draw Pakistani flag in your social studies copy. So rectangular with a, it's a shape, rectangular with a white strip to the left. Okay, left side you will see white strip and it is representing the minorities, and a deep green background with a white crescent and a star, and deep green is for majority, and 96% people are Muslims here, and the deep green color is showing for the majority, and the color of the flag are green and white. So you will draw Pakistani flag in your social studies course. Question number 5. Which crops are grown in Pakistan? In which area are they mostly grown? Okay. Answer, in Pakistan, the most agricultural province is Punjab, as I told you in the previous lecture, where wheat and cotton are the most grown. Students, why Punjab is agricultural province? Why it is called agricultural province? Because five rivers are present in Punjab. So all the land is fertile. So fertile land is very good for growing crops. So this is the reason Punjab is called the agriculture province. And mango orchards are mostly found in Sindh and Punjab provinces. So almost our agriculture is done in Punjab and Sindh. So I repeat the answer, in Pakistan, the most agricultural province is Punjab, where wheat and cotton are the most grown. Mango orchards are mostly found in Sindh and Punjab provinces. Okay, next question, question number 6. What things do most Pakistanis have in common? Okay, what things we have common? Okay, answer, we all eat the same food. Like our staple food is chapati, rice, meat and vegetables. We all are eating staple food every day, and it is similar. So we all eat the same food like chapati and rice and have similar names. Okay, we all have similar names, speak the same language. Okay, we all speak Urdu, and we are living in Punjab, so definitely we speak Punjabi also. Have a similar history. Our heroes and great heroes are, we also have a similar history. Like Quaid-e-Azam is our great leader, and Allama Iqbal is our great poet. So our history is also similar and use the same currency. Okay, 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 rupee notes. We are all using currency, and this currency is rupee. Our Pakistani currency is rupee, and all we are using similar currency. So what things we have similar? All these things are similar, and we all eat the same food, have similar names, speak the same language, have a similar history and use the same currency. So all these things are similar, and we have all these things common among us. Okay, question number 7. What languages can you speak? What language does John speak? Okay, we speak English, Urdu and Punjabi, and John speaks English because John belongs to London, so definitely he speaks English. So answer, we speak English, Urdu and Punjabi. Most of you are speaking English during lecture, and during school you also speak English. But our national language is Urdu, and provincial language, you say, we speak Punjabi. So all these languages, English, Urdu and Punjabi, we speak in our country, and John speaks English. Okay, students, here I have written 10 cities of Pakistan, and these are populated cities. What are these? Quetta, Islamabad, Hyderabad, Multan, Peshawar, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi, Karachi, Lahore, and Sialkot. I repeat it: Quetta, Islamabad, Hyderabad, Multan, Peshawar, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi, Karachi, Lahore, and Sialkot. You will write all these cities' name in your textbook. Now, work page. Okay, activity A, look at this map. Use a green crayon to shade your province, blue crayon to shade the sea. Okay, for province, you will take green color, fill green color for province, and blue for sea. So here you can label this map, and here are provinces and their capital, and river Indus and Arabian Sea is written. So you will shade blue for Arabian Sea and river Indus, and green color for provinces and their capital. So in the previous map we have done provinces and their capital and Arabian Sea. So you will label this label this map in your social studies book. Next, the activity, make a list of at least 10 other cities of Pakistan, as you have seen in the previous slide. So write here 10 cities name. And C activity, make a list of the different languages that your classmates speak at home. So how many languages your classmates are speaking at home? You can write at least 6 to 8 languages here. So Urdu, English, Punjabi, Saraiki, Bhrovi, what languages they are speaking. So here you can write the different languages. Okay, D activity, complete this fact sheet. Okay, what is it? And I know you know the answers. Our national language is, what is our national language? Okay, yes, our national language is Urdu. So you will write here Urdu. Okay, here is a sentence written in Urdu. Okay, you will write here a Urdu sentence like मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मेरा नाम, ये अपना नाम लिख के भी आप लिख सकते हैं. पाकिस्तान मेरा प्यारा वतन है, मैं पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत करता हूँ. ठीक है, here you will write one sentence in Urdu. And number 3, our flag looks like this. Okay, in this rectangular shape you will draw Pakistani map beautifully. Okay, number 4, here is one line from our national anthem. What is it? Pak Sar Zameen. You will write first line of Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baag. First line you will write beautifully. Okay, number 5, our national dresses. What is it? Our national dress is Shalwar Kameez. So write here Shalwar Kameez. Number 6, our state religion is, as I told you, Islam. Our state religion is Islam, because 96% people are here Muslims. So our state religion is Islam. Number 7, our currency is called rupee. What is our currency? Our currency is called rupee. Here you will write rupee. Okay, number 8, our national game is hockey. Our national game is hockey. And number 9, we like to eat. Here you can write your favorite food, like we like to eat chapati, rice, meat, vegetables, biryani, pasta, whatever you want to write. Here you will write what you like to eat. So here you can write a list of your favorite food. Thank you. Now, students, it was a